Welcome. If you're tired of those constant desktop notifications popping up from Discord while you're working or gaming, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable desktop notifications on the Discord app for your PC, following the latest update. This process is quick, straightforward, and will help you enjoy a distraction-free experience. First, make sure the Discord app is open on your computer. If you haven't already, launch Discord and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the User Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to enter the notifications settings. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll find a variety of options that control how and when Discord alerts you. Look for the setting labeled Enable Desktop Notifications. By default, this option might be turned on, which is why you're seeing those pop-ups on your screen. To stop receiving desktop notifications, simply toggle off the Enable Desktop Notification switch. Once you've done this, Discord will no longer send those alerts to your desktop, letting you focus on what matters most without interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled desktop notifications on Discord. Remember, you can always come back to this menu and turn them back on if you change your mind or need to stay updated for specific servers or channels. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new, notification-free Discord experience.